Hello, food fans! Today, while we are, as you know, in most of this nation, in some kind of self-quarantine, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite treats to pass the time and to keep you from going stir-crazy. It's called the Cosmopolitan Martini, and it was invented here where I live in San Francisco. So, without further ado, let's get started! Hello, food fans. So, what we know is we need several main ingredients for a Cosmopolitan Martini. Not very many, but they are all crucial. So you want a 1.5 ounce pour of vodka. You want a half a lime. You want fresh lime juice. Kroger's got limes that I have no idea how much because we have no Kroger's down here in San Francisco. Put that in there, and the secret ingredient, cranberry juice. I preferred the unsweetened, but you can do the sweetened if you like. And there's one more secret ingredient that you might not have thought of. Ice. So ice is an important part of this. It cools the liquid, and ice is made from freezing water. Liquid water turns solid to where, as you can see, I can hold it in my hand. That used to be water, liquid and running. You've probably seen water if you ever turned on the sink or used the toilet. So that's about all the ice we'll need in there. And the final touch, we need to shake it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that's the stuff. That's what we're looking for. Okay, you'll see this is now very icy. And one more final touch. A martini glass. Don't skimp on this part, guys. This is presentation is everything. As we know, it will make you feel good, very good. It will make you feel classy. That's really beautiful. Now let's try a little bit. I'll let you know how it goes. Very good. Very delicious. Very cost-effective cure to this outbreak. Thank you for watching.